Why is detoxing in winter so vital, one might ask? Well, winter is a season of indulgence where we tend to consume heavier foods and lead a sedentary lifestyle, which can lead to a buildup of toxins in our bodies. Detoxing helps to flush out these toxins, rejuvenate our bodies, and boost our immune system, making us more resilient to the cold winter months. Now, tackling the winter blues and keeping our bodies in top shape can be a bit challenging. However, detoxing provides a solution. It not only helps in boosting energy levels, but also aids in maintaining a healthy weight. By incorporating warming foods and drinks into our diets, we can overcome these challenges while also supporting our body's natural detoxification process. So, what are some of these warming foods and drinks beneficial for detoxing in winter? Well, here are a few. Firstly, ginger. This spicy root warms the body, aids digestion, and has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Secondly, turmeric. This golden spice is not only warming but also has potent anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties. Thirdly, green tea. This warm beverage is rich in antioxidants that aid detoxification and boost metabolism. Next up, beetroot. This vibrant vegetable is loaded with fiber, which aids digestion and detoxification. Lastly, cinnamon. This sweet spice helps regulate blood sugar levels and has potent anti-inflammatory properties. Now, how to incorporate these into a winter detox routine? Easy. Start the day with a warm cup of green tea with a slice of lemon. For lunch, have a beetroot salad with a dash of turmeric. And for dinner, a warming soup with ginger and cinnamon can do the trick. However, while detoxing can be beneficial, it's important to be aware of potential side effects. Some people might experience fatigue, headaches, or digestive issues. Always listen to your body and adjust your detox plan accordingly. For those with dietary restrictions, there are plenty of alternatives. For instance, vegetarians can opt for lentils and beans for their protein intake. Those who are gluten-free can choose quinoa or brown rice. To round it all off, a balanced detox diet plan could include a variety of these foods and drinks, coupled with regular exercise and stress-relieving practices such as meditation or yoga. Remember, detoxing is not just about what you eat or drink, but also about leading a balanced lifestyle. So keep your body warm, stay hydrated, and keep stress at bay to make the most of your winter detox. In conclusion, winter detoxing is a great way to reset your body, boost your immune system, and overcome winter challenges. By incorporating warming foods and drinks into your routine, you can support your body's natural detoxification process and feel your best throughout the winter season. So, embrace the cold season with a warm cup of detox tea and let your body thank you for the care you've provided.